Hello everyone. Today we are practicing Surya Namaskar B, the second sequence in the traditional sun salutation. If you have missed watching Surya Namaskar A video, the link is in the description below. Do check it first for better understanding. In this video, we will walk through each pose step by step. So grab your mat, take a deep breath and let's begin. Stand straight with feet together and palms at the heart center, breathing evenly. Now inhale and bend your knees, sink the hips back and lift the arms overhead while keeping the chest long. This asana is known as Utkatasana, one of the highlight pose of Surya Namaskar B. Next, exhale while bending forward, letting your head and neck relax. Now inhale and lift the chest and lengthen the spine with hands, keeping your fingertips on the floor. After that, exhale and lightly hop back and lower with control until your body forms a straight line. Now inhale while lifting the chest, pressing your top of the feet and keeping your hands to the mat. Now exhale and tuck the toes, lift the hips high into an inverted V. Now inhale and step the right foot forward between the hands and rise with arms overhead. Exhale and get your hands on the mat, step back into plank and lower your body control to a lower plank. Inhale and lift your chest, pressing the top of your feet, keeping your hands on the mat and straighten the arms. After that, again tuck your toes by lifting your hips high into an inverted V. After that, inhale and step the left foot forward, aligning the hips and rising with the arms reaching up. Exhale and place your palm on the mat. Come to the lower plank position. After that, inhale and lift the chest, pressing the top of the feet and hands on the mat, keeping your arms straight. Then, exhale and tuck your toes, lifting your hips high and breathe normal. Inhale and jump forward, lengthening the spine. Later, exhale and bend forward by relaxing your neck and leg. After that, inhale and rise halfway, bending the knees and sweeping the arms up. By exhaling, stand tall, lower the arms and bring the palm to the heart center, and this completes one round. Now let's talk about benefits of Surya Namaskar B. As mentioned in the video, the Utkatasana and Virabhadrasana will engage your legs, glutes and core much more deeper than the Surya Namaskar A. The flow challenges you to stay present, syncing every moment with your inhale and exhale, which also sharpens your mental clarity. Try to repeat this cycle at least for 6 to 12 times for better result. Stay tuned for more such videos. And thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.